Hello, it is Dolly. Welcome to my channel, Scrapping on the Go. This process video is for Mini Kit Monday with Kathy, Becky, and myself. And this is layout number 3 using the January 2025 challenge, which is to use some scrappy pattern paper to create your layout. Yes, our theme or challenge for January 2025 is to use pattern papers, scrap pattern papers. I'll spit it out, Dolly. I'll get it out. So anyway, this is layout number 3, and I pre-selected these pattern papers merely by accident. It wasn't intended for me to pre-select these when I was creating layout number 2. When I was going through my scrappy folder that I grabbed of scraps or envelope or whatever folder here, these papers were inside this. And when I was trying to figure out what pattern papers to use on layout number 2, I said, ooh, this goes together. Ooh, this goes together. Ooh, I can create a layout with these pattern papers. I'm going to set that aside and use it for a layout. Well, I chose to use it for layout number 3. And we'll just go over them real quick. So this is some 49 and Market. And then I had this strip of paper here that is a check pattern of yellow and an off-white, and then this pattern paper here, and I'm choosing to use this side of the pattern paper, and I really don't remember what collection that came from, what designer. I'm kind of guessing close to my heart, but I'm not really sure. Then I have this pattern paper here, not sure if I can incorporate this one or not, and then I have a full 6x6 pattern paper. And then I have this music note pattern paper, which is from Bo Bunny. And the lighting changed because of the glare off my alpha stickers. So that's the paper. And then I selected this alpha and phrase set. And I'm pretty sure this is from a Vicki Boutin collection. And then I have an 8.5 by 11 daisy white cardstock. It originally came 12 by 12. I cut it down. Again, I'm going to create an 8.5 by 11 layout. I also, I didn't pull. This was from a 12 by 12 sheet of pattern paper. And on the opposite side were all these tags. And it was a Vicki Boutin collection, and I cut these two out again, thinking that would go really well. That came in a paper die cut from Vicki Boutin. It's very, very thin. I'm not really a fan of this new thin on the die cuts, but I have it, and I'm going to use it. Then this was just a little word phrase, not sure if I'll use it. Strip, and then the photograph that I'm documenting is this older photograph of my husband and our lab, chocolate lab. She is just beautiful. We had her for about 13 and a half years. I want to document this memory, and this photograph is probably about, I'm going to say 16 years old, I'm going to say. And then I had these 2 items of embellishments. One was a sticker sheet from Simple Stories, Simple Vintage Lakeside. The next step is for me to add my pattern paper to this 8.5 by 11 sheet of paper here, cover it up with all my pattern paper. And I am going to pause the video and come back and show you what I came up with. Now, I just find that the funnest part of creating a layout is the embellishments and the splatters and the mixed media that's added to the page. If you disagree and you would like to see me actually trim the paper and tell you my thought process of selecting those papers and the locations, let me know in the comments below, and I will take that in consideration in future videos. All right, but for this one, I'm going to pause it and I'm going to come up with a design layout here. We'll be right back. Well, I'm not sure where I left off at until I put these clips together, but I got interrupted by my family. Couldn't finish the layout when I started it. Originally started the layout. I came back the next day. So you'll even notice that my sleeves are a different color. So I just wanted to let you know. So we have the two tags, my word that says Outdoor Dreamer. And now I need to add some more embellishments around here. And remember, one of my goals was to use some of the stickers off of this sticker sheet from Simple Stories called Simple Vintage Lake. So let's see what we can come up with here. I don't like the fact that they have white around them, other than, oh, I like that. Covering up that, and I don't have to put a piece of twine. I like that. There we go. That's staying. Let's see. He is fishing. Maybe I can put something right here for fishing. I kind of like that. I won't press down. We have this duck. I don't like that there. Not sure if I like that there or not. We'll just kind of set that there. Got this mushroom with a frog, like that. And plus, it brings out the green and this green paper. Look how well that matches. So let's place that down here. We want it on top. Where do I want that? Maybe I want it over here. Kind of like it there. Like that. Okay. Still on the fence about this duck. Let's see what else. What can I put in here? He's not on a bike, but, uh-oh, my sticker. Sweet. Got this kind of beige color. Yeah. Let's lift that up and tuck it under. Okay, so I got a nice little grouping of stickers used up right in here, like that. Oh, let's see what else. We have Love It here, but should I put it this way? I have this group of stickers already here. Maybe with the bird. Kind of going the wrong direction. I think that's my problem with the bird there. Okay, let's see. What can we add to that group? That's kind of blends in with that. Let's see, is there another heart on here? Another heart. No other hearts. Oh yeah, there is this one. Now, I like the green. There. So we got 3 hearts going up this way. Let's see. Great outdoors, explore more. Can add some word phrases here. Okay. I am liking this so far. I think I'll get out some enamel dots, possibly. I think I have some brown sequins that I can add here, and do some splatter. So give me a second. Let's see what I can bring out. All right, I have these enamel dots right here, and then I have these enamel dots. I found Dana Wakley Spray in Firm, or Gloss Spray in Firm, and Heidi Swap Color Shine in Gold. Then I did have in my stash, or I do have in my stash, these brown sequences, and this would be perfect. So I think I'm gonna put aside these enamel dots, and we're gonna go with sequins and a little bit of splatter. So what I want to do is put some splatters first and then add my sequins in case I have splatters that don't land exactly where I want them, or too large, too big. You get what I mean. So let's start with this medium gloss spray in Fern by Dana Wakley. So I think I want, well, we'll put a little bit down here. And it's not sprinkling out so well, so we'll just do like that. And then we'll do some up here. There we go. It wasn't cooperating. I don't like it when it does a line like that. Perfect. Now I'm going to call this layout complete, other than I need to glue down my sequence, and I will have still shots at the very end. I appreciate you all for stopping by and joining in on my creativity. Please give a thumbs up, share my channel, keep coming back, and most of all, get out those scrappy supplies, get out those memories, document them in a fun and creative way, because you are passing down history. We'll see you next time. Remember, share, like, and subscribe. Bye.